Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Surahimi. Today our group members going to present about the Yii Framework. So before we start, let me introduce our group members. I am Rahima binti Ramli as the first presenter. The second presenter is Nur Alia Nadiha, and the last presenter is Nur Sakina. Okay, I'm going to intro about the Yii Framework. Yii Framework is published the latest Yii Framework version 2.0.21, which is a minor release of Yii 2.0 that improve database connection performance. Yii Framework is a component-based, high-performance PHP framework that is used for the development of modern web application. Okay, now we move to purpose of usage. Purpose of Yii Framework is the performance of Yii Framework is very high. Advantage of robust extension architecture. The third is Yii Framework can customize or replace every code code. The fourth is Yii Framework is full-scale framework that have reusable features. Next is Yii code is elegant and straightforward, and the last one is Yii Framework design things majorly because it follows some design patterns. Okay, now we move to advantages of Yii Framework. Okay, one of the advantages of Yii Framework is easy to install, which is for developers. Time is a tool, not a crutch, so it is essential while dealing with framework installation. The installation process should be less. Secondly is Yii Framework. It comes with an easy installation and configuration process. Okay, secondly is use modern technologies. Yii Framework use PHP's advanced features of OOP framework. It also use static binding, SPL, SPL classes, interfaces, and many other functions. Third advantage is highly extensible. Yii Framework can fulfill our actual requirements. Yii Framework components are very extensible. 4 is facilitates testing. Yii Framework is integrated with codeception, which is it makes Yii more desirable. 5 is highly secure. For highly secure is Yii Framework provides high security for the web application that are developed using this framework. Yii Framework also implemented with high security components to provide the application with more secure. Next is less development time. Okay, for less development time is in Yii Framework, the code can be used repetitively by the development time will not be wasted. So for example, we can customize the code as per the requirement. And for Yii Framework, use G, which is GII tool, which is a web-based code scaffolding tool that is used to create a code quickly. Okay, 7 is better performance. Yii components are caching, or Yii or cache. Whatever the standard API use, the component will be helpful, and the application based on Yii Framework can perform better. Next advantage is error handling. Yii Framework, it has error handling ability and is based on PHP 5 exception. When some uncaught exception, then one of the handler will control and take necessary procedure to handle the error. Okay, 9 is using themes, which is themes are the way of customizing the outlook of our of the web pages. So use for from using proper themes, it will impact the overall structure of the web application. Okay, the last one is logging. Logging is a feature, a very flexible and extensible. It using level category filters, select the message can be directly to different destination like file, image, and etc.
The features of Yii Framework. Once a new technology rolls over you, if you're not part of the steamroller, you are part of the road. Yii is a high-performance web programming PHP framework, meaning that it can be used for developing all kinds of web applications using PHP. Yii component-based architecture and sophisticated caching support make it suitable for developing large-scale applications such as forums, portals, content management system, which is CMS, e-commerce project, and so on. Yii has two major versions available currently, and they are version 1.1 and 2.0. Version 1 is 1.1 is the old generation and is now undergoing maintenance. Version 2.0 is a complete rewrite of Yii, adopting the latest technologies and protocol, which include PSR, Composer, Thread, Namespace, and so forth. Version 2.0 represents the current generation of the framework and will reflect main development efforts over the next few years. Okay, so how we can compare Yii framework with other framework? First, for installation. In this step, we use a composer for installing with the basic template. Okay, second, welcome page. After running server, we get a welcome page template that include MVC, static pages, debugger, bootstrap, UI, and many more. Okay, for migration, you remove repetitive code tasks and you are subjected to creative work. Designing the system to build in terms of database. Migration is the best way to do this whole thing. Okay, next, G code generator. After the above migration is done, the code generator will generate the crude models and many more. All this can be used to customize the generated code as per our requirement. Okay, where to go? The final step is to go to the document, community, and the extension. There you are done with the Yii framework is ready to use. And then for lastly is sum up. Full stack Yii web development service with proven are ready to use features and also can customize or renew nearly every bit of the course code and take the advantage of Yii solid extension architecture to develop redistributable extension, applying various functional properties like MVC, caching support, authentication, access control, Ajax capability, and scaffolding. Yii developer will work to take in the brand new features in the Yii lobby.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Sakina binti Abdul Karim. I am the last presenter and now I will show you the video that I got from YouTube how to install Yii.